Hi, fourth graders. Today we're going to be multiplying three digits by one digit using the area model and partial products. Again, we're practicing this so that we are ready for fifth grade, and this is a skill that you need to be able to do in order to do fifth grade math. On your main slide, you're going to go ahead and click in the text box and type in your name very first. Okay, this should look familiar. It's very much like what we practiced yesterday, except for I've got a three-digit number being multiplied by a one-digit number. So our first step is to take that three-digit number and write it in expanded form. So 795 is 700 plus 90 plus 5. And then my 4 goes on the side. Now, I don't need a second row of boxes because 4 only has one digit. So it just stays the same. Okay, in this first blue box, I'm going to multiply 700 times 4. You are going to want to think about your multiplication facts. What is 7 times 4? 7 times 4 is 28, but because it's in the hundreds place, we're going to add two zeros. So it's going to be 2,800, and I'm going to add a comma in there after the 2 because it tells me that's the difference between the thousands place and the hundreds place. Okay, next we have 4 times 90. So we think about 4 times 9 is 36, and then we add a 0. And last but not least, 5 times 4, which is 20. Now that I've multiplied all of my numbers, I am going to take those partial products and add them together. So in my first box, I'm going to write 2,800. The next box is 360 and then 20. Now I'm going to go ahead and add this all together. So 0 plus 0 plus 0 is 0. 6 plus 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Regroup my 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Now, it's probably easier to do this on a piece of paper and then type in the number when you're finished. And that is how you multiply a three digit by one digit number. Um, as the same thing as our lesson, it starts with a lot of help. And then as you go, more and more of the help is removed. At the very end, there is another early finisher and some cool games you can play as well. If you have any questions, please message your teacher.